USANA founder and chairman of the board, Dr. Myron Wentz, is a renowned researcher and innovator in cellular health technologies. Dr. Wentz created the Epstein-Barr and mononucleosis testing kits used in hospitals worldwide.
One of the most important discoveries we made in the laboratory in human cell culture was that if we grew human cells with all the essential nutrients in the right form and balance, those cells, the very cells that make up our body, remained healthy and free of degeneration for decades.
After watching his parents and other loved ones die from heart disease, cancer, and other degenerative conditions, Dr. Wentz knew he needed to change his focus from diagnosing disease to advancing health through cellular nutrition.
People today are living too short and dying too long from degenerative disease. Proper nutrition is the best way to ensure we're living the healthiest lives possible. When our scientists analyzed the top nutritional products, we realized they couldn't keep cells in the laboratory healthy. So how could they keep me healthy? I knew I needed to develop nutritional products that provided the complete spectrum of essential nutrients and antioxidant protection to provide optimal cellular health. That's when the idea of USANA Health Sciences was born.